Hello students, today we will discuss about the simple problem on the preparation of profit and loss appropriation account. Before going to know the simple problem, first we should clear about the meaning of P&L appropriation account. It is an extension version of the profit and loss account, and whatever the profit arises in an organization that should be distributed or appropriated among the partners is called as the profit and loss appropriation account. Already I have given you a journal entries in relating to the preparation of profit and loss appropriation account. Today we will just discuss the what are the techniques used for preparation of the P&L appropriation account. You should remember one point or keep the point in the mind. Here this is debit side and this is credit side. In a debit side, whatever the amount cash inflow to the partners, that all transactions are recorded in the debit side, and whatever the amount is cash outflow from the partners, that should be recorded in the credit side of the P&L appropriation account. Otherwise, the only two items are recorded in the credit side, the other all transactions are recorded in the debit side of the P&L appropriation account. Means here the two items are the one is the net profit, the other one is the interest on drawings. Otherwise, any drawings are given in the problem, that drawing should be excluded, that should not be recorded in the credit side of the P&L appropriation account. You only consider the interest on drawings. In this problem, first they are given a interest on capital 8% per annum. This is a capital. Interest on capital means whatever the capital amount invested by the owners or the partners, on that investment the firm pay a fixed rate of interest, that is called as interest on capital. In this problem, the interest on capital, the Arun capital is 80,000. 80,000 into 5% is charged. That's why the amount is 4,000. Here Varun and Arun, Varun capital amount is 50,000, and the 50,000 into 5 by 100, the interest on capital of the Varun is 2,500, and the Arun salary. The salary means it is a cash inflow to the partners. The Arun is also partners and the Varun is a partner. The whatever the salary given by the organization, that should be a cash inflow. That's why it is a recorded in the debit side. Arun salary 3,000, and the commission to a Varun. Varun is a partner. The Varun commission means the commission paid by the organization, that is also income or the cash inflow to the Varun. That's why it is also recorded in the debit side of the P&L appropriation account. That these are the salary and commissions, they are given annually per annum. Otherwise they will given monthly. You should be multiplied by 12. And the any in any organization, it may be profit incurred or the profit given in the problem, and net profit is incurred. The net profit is incurred, that should be recorded in the credit side. Otherwise, the any loss incurred in the organization, that should be recorded in the debit side. In this problem, they are given a profit, that the profit amount is 20,000. The 20,000 is recorded in the credit side, and the interest on drawings, the interest on drawings is recorded in the credit side, because the drawings made by the partner, on that drawings the firm has charged a interest. From the point of partners, it is a cash outflow from the partner. That's why here the interest on drawings of the Arun 2,000, the interest on drawings of the Varun 2,500. The total of both the items 4,500. After that, the all transaction is completed. You just total it and deduct the amount. Here the total, the credit side is more than the debit side. The total of credit side is 24,500, and the credit side, the items, the out of 24,500 you deduct all the items, means 4,000, 2,500, 3,000 and 2,000. The total of debit side is 11,500. You deduct the 24,500 minus 11,500, the answer is 13,000. This is the profit. and it is the extension of the profit and loss account. After that, whatever the profit incurred in the organization, that should be distributed among the partners. In your mind, the one more question is arises, how it is distributed among the partners. Here in this problem, they are given a ratio for distribution of any profit and loss incurred in the organization. That's why the 2:1. Whatever the profit incurred in organization, 13,000, that should be distributed 2/3 and 1/3. And 13,000 is distributed among the Arun and Varun. The amount is 8,667 and 4,333. This is the question may be asked in your section C for 6 marks. Important for 6 marks question. Thank you.